Welcome to the Crypto Pump channel, and today I'm going to reveal the top 5 ways to make money on Binance that are suitable even for those just starting their journey in the crypto world. If you're a beginner and don't know where to start, this video will be your guide. We'll be discussing simple and accessible methods without complex strategies or significant investments. Ready to dive into a world of opportunities? Then let's get started. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, offering a wide range of trading tools and opportunities. Don't worry if you lack trading experience or deep market knowledge. All you need is the desire to learn and take action. These methods will allow you to start with small amounts or even almost nothing, gradually increasing your capital. It's an excellent option for those who want to safely enter the world of cryptocurrencies without unnecessary stress. Let's get started. And if you want to discover even more ways to earn and get useful tips on Binance, be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There you'll find up-to-date guides, the latest news from the crypto world, and a special chat for beginners where you can ask questions and get answers directly from me. The link is in the description. Don't miss the chance to stay informed about all events. If you don't have a Binance account yet, don't miss the chance to register using the link in the description. Use my referral code mentioned in the video to get up to a 30% discount on fees. Without the code, there won't be any discount, so make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. How to register, verify your account, and fund your balance. All of this can be found in separate videos on our channel. Now, I'll show you how to fund your balance, so watch carefully and don't skip ahead. First method, activities and giveaways. This is a simple and accessible way to make your first money by participating in campaigns of new projects before they're listed. On Binance, such opportunities often appear in the Mega Drop section, and it's an ideal start for beginners, even if you have almost no capital. By completing tasks, you get tokens for free or with minimal effort. How does it work? Open the Binance app and go to your profile to find the Mega Drop section. There, you'll see active campaigns from projects that distribute their tokens for simple actions. For example, you might be asked to follow the project's Twitter, repost, join their Telegram or Discord, top up your account balance, and so on. Let's take a real example. Solve protocol, completed. The conditions were, you had to complete Web3 tasks. These are simple actions. Follow the project's social media or make a swap through a Web3 wallet. Everything is done in the Binance app, it takes a couple of minutes, and there's no risk. What happens next? After the listing, Solve tokens will appear in your Spot wallet. Go to Trade, Spot, sell Solve for USDT, and lock in your profit. It's safe. You're not investing money in risky assets. You're simply completing easy tasks. Your 100 USDT will always be returned to you, even if you don't win any tokens, and you can use them for the next campaign. Next, the second method, Launchpool. This is a great way to earn from new projects using BNB tokens. Projects preparing for listing distribute their coins to participants, and you get them for holding or staking BNB. This is a safe and effective method for beginners that allows you to start with small capital. How does it work? Open the Binance app and go to your profile in the upper left corner, then go to the Earn section. There, you'll find the Launchpool tab. Select an active campaign. To participate, you need to buy BNB. Go to the Trade section, find the spot market, search for BNB, and buy it for USDT. Then, go to Launchpool. Find the Gun project, click Stake, and specify the amount of BNB that's in your Spot wallet. Click Confirm. And that's it, your BNB is now working. This takes a couple of clicks, nothing complicated. What happens next? After some time, usually a few days or a week, the Gun tokens will be credited to your Spot wallet. Check this in the History section of Earn. If you want to withdraw your BNB earlier, click Withdraw in the Launchpool section. It's flexible staking, meaning you can withdraw at any time. Everything is under your control. After the listing, you can sell the Gun tokens. Go to Trade, Spot, find the Gun USDT pair, click Sell, and convert them to USDT. It's safe. You're not risking your main capital, and the exchange guarantees a return of BNB. Now, the third method, staking. Passive income from coins. This is a convenient way to earn passive income simply by holding coins in your wallet. It's the perfect solution for beginners who want to earn without active participation and prefer long-term investments. Binance offers flexible and fixed staking options with different yields, and you can start with a small amount. Now let's break it down. How does it work? Open the Binance app and go to the Earn section. Select the Staking tab. There you'll find a list of available coins with their annual yields. For example, Near offers 25% annually at the moment, or Cake offers 80%. Let's say you have 100 USDT in your Spot wallet. Now go to Trade, next Spot. Find the Near USDT pair, enter 100 USDT, click Buy. You'll get about 25 Near at a rate of 4 USDT per coin. Go back to Staking, select Near, and you'll have two options. Flexible, withdraw anytime, or fixed, for a term like 30 days, and the coins can't be withdrawn. Choose the fixed option for 30 days with 25% annual yield, click Stake, enter 25 Near, check the box agreeing to the terms, and confirm. Your coins will be locked for a month and start earning income. What happens next? After 30 days with 25 Near, 100 USDT, you'll earn approximately 0.52 Near in profit. 25% annually divided by 12 months gives 2.08% per month, or 0.0208 multiplied by 25 Near. At a rate of 4 USDT per Near, that's 2.08 USDT. If the coin rises to 8 USDT, your profit will double to 4.16 USDT. Earnings will be visible in the history section of Earn. After the term 25 near and the profit will return to your spot wallet. Want more? Invest 200 USDT, 50 near. In a month, you'll earn 1.04 near or 4.16 USDT at the same rate. To withdraw, go to spot, find the near USDT pair, enter the amount, click sell, and convert it to USDT. It's safe. You don't lose your coins, you're just letting them work. Flexible staking offers lower returns, around 3 to 5% annually, but you can withdraw at any time. Choose coins that are already in your portfolio to avoid unnecessary purchases and risks from price drops. Don't forget to keep an eye on new offers in the staking section and other earning opportunities in our Telegram channel. We regularly share current methods that will help you reliably grow your capital. Your assets will generate income while you enjoy your leisure time. So the decision is yours. Join us and start earning with confidence. Next, we have the fourth method on our list, trading bots. Let's break down how to make money with them. So this is an effective way to earn passive income by letting algorithms trade for you. They automatically buy low and sell high on the spot market, making this method safe and convenient for beginners. You don't need to monitor charts. The bot operates independently, delivering consistent results with minimal involvement. How does it work? Open the Binance app and go to the Trade section. It's located at the bottom of the app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Bots. There you'll see pre-configured bots with profitability history. Let's say you have 100 USDT in your spot wallet. For example, there's a bot for the 8-day USDT pair with a return of 11% in 18 days. Tap it and see the preset strategies. Neutral trades within a range, long for rising prices, or short for falling prices. Choose neutral. It's the safest for spot. Tap Create, enter the amount, 100 USDT, and confirm the launch. The bot starts working. It breaks your funds into small orders, buys ADA at the lows, and sells at the highs. What next? In a week, the bot yields 5% profit. That's 5 USDT from your 100 USDT. Everything is displayed in the bot history, how many trades were made and how much profit earned. Suppose ADA fluctuated between 0.5 and 0.6 USDT. The bot bought at 0.5 and sold at 0.6, profiting from the difference. Want more? Invest 500 USDT. With the same 5% weekly, that's 25 USDT. If the market exits the range, the bot waits for the prices to return and resumes trading. To stop it, tap Stop in the bot history. The remaining funds return to your spot wallet. Withdraw via spot. Find ADA USDT, sell for USDT, and use them further. This is safe. There's no leverage or liquidation risk on spot. You trade only with your own funds. The bot may earn less in a calm market, but in the long run, it stays profitable. For example, 11% in 18 days is about 200% annualized with reinvestment. Check bot statistics. And finally, we've reached the most interesting method, Web3, earning in decentralized finance. There's a Web3 wallet right in the Exchange app. Let's dive in. It's a convenient tool giving you access to decentralized finance right within the Exchange app. Imagine you have a regular Binance account with tokens, and next to it, a wallet for DeFi projects. It's like MetaMask, but everything is in one place. No need to install extra apps. You can easily switch between your spot account and Web3 wallet to swap tokens or join events. This saves time and simplifies the process, especially for beginners. The wallet supports over 30 blockchains, allowing you to work with various coins and projects without being tied to a single network. It's non-custodial, meaning your assets are fully under your control, not the exchanges. Keys are protected with MPC technology. They're split into parts and stored securely. You don't need to remember a long seed phrase. Just create a recovery password, save it, and access is always with you. This reduces human error and boosts security. To start, you need to create a Web3 wallet. Open the Binance app and switch to Pro mode. Go to the Assets section. It's at the bottom. At the top, tap the Wallet button, go to the Web3 tab, and choose Create. The process takes a few seconds. The system generates a wallet, and it's immediately ready to use. After creation, the app will prompt you to make a backup. Choose a convenient method, for example, iCloud for iPhone or QR code for Android. You'll receive a recovery password. This is the key to your assets. Write it down on paper and keep it safe. If your phone gets lost or breaks, the password restores access. Agree to the terms, tap Backup, then OK, the copy is ready. Now the wallet address appears on the screen, a long string of characters, along with Send, Receive, and Transfer buttons for managing tokens. Next, fund your wallet. Open the app, go to Wallet, switch to the Web3 tab, and tap Receive. The easiest way is to transfer tokens from Binance. Choose Incoming Transfer. Your spot account is shown at the top, Web3 Wallet at the bottom. For example, you need BNB to operate. Go to your spot assets, find BNB, enter the amount, and tap Confirm. In a few seconds, the tokens appear in the Web3 wallet. You'll see them under Assets. It's fast and free inside the exchange. If there's nothing on spot, you can fund it from another wallet like MetaMask or Bybit. Copy your Web3 wallet address. It's shown after tapping Receive. Open MetaMask, paste the address, choose the BNB amount, send via BEP20 network, and wait for confirmation. After that, tokens will appear in your wallet. Now, to earning. The first method is token swaps. In the Web3 wallet, go to Assets. Select the tokens you have, for example BNB, and tap Swap. Choose the coin you want to exchange for, say USDT or Doge, enter the amount and confirm. In a few minutes, the swap is complete and new tokens appear in the wallet. Binance occasionally holds airdrop events, tasks where swaps earn bonus tokens. Do the swap, become a participant, and get a chance to win. After swapping, transfer the tokens to your Spot account. Open the wallet, choose Transfer, select the token, like DOG, and send it to Spot. Then go to Trade, select Spot, find a pair with that coin, and sell it for stablecoins like USDT. It takes little time and earns income without hassle. Before swapping, check your balance. Leave a small amount for fees. Second method, participating in sales. These are new token launches where you can earn by investing your assets. Binance announces projects in advance. Watch for them in Web3 or our Telegram channel, link in the description. When a sale countdown appears, prepare BNB in your Web3 wallet. After the countdown ends, deposit BNB into the pool through the wallet. Go to the sale section, enter the amount, and confirm. In a few hours, new tokens are credited to you. The amount depends on terms and number of participants. Transfer tokens to the Spot wallet via transfer, then go to Trade, Spot, find a pair with those tokens and sell for USDT. If you're short on BNB, you can take a loan. Open Binance, tap the Binance icon in the top left, find crypto loan, choose BNB, leave stablecoins, USDT or USDC as collateral and confirm. BNB appears on Spot. Transfer it to the Web3 wallet and use it in the sale. After tokens are credited, repay the loan. Go to crypto loan, tap repay, pay interest for a few hours and get your collateral back. The leftover after selling, that's your profit. The Web3 wallet gives you the chance to earn on swaps, airdrops, and sales without extra hassle. These are safe ways. Now, you definitely know how to earn on Binance and grow your capital in cryptocurrency. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Crypto Pump channel. The link to Binance with a referral code for up to a 30% discount is waiting for you in the description. Want more guides and earning ideas? Join our Telegram channel. The link is there too. See you in the next episodes. Wishing you all successful trades. Goodbye.